Welcome. Today I will show you how you can put the screen protector on your OPPO A53. So at the first we have to clean our screen of the various of dirt. As you can see, it's very dirty, right? So we have to open our box when we are able to find screen protector and also the wet and dry wipes. So first of all, we have to use the wet. So let's grab the phone, and after that you have to clean your screen. Okay, and after that we are going to use the dry one. And it's almost finished. As you can see, it looks better right now, but I see here few pieces of the dust, so it's very good also to have tape like that, and we can cut part of that to take this dust from our screen. So right now just stick it to your screen. Okay, and I think that right now the screen is in really good condition, so we are able to apply our screen protector. So right now you have to grab this screen protector, then open it a little bit, and do it slowly, don't break your glass. Okay, now just check the second time your screen, and we can try to apply the screen protector. I can recommend you to start from the top position right here and just press it a little bit here at the top, and then we can simply press it to the bottom. I hope you can see it. And right now you have to easily just scroll with your fingers at the bottom, and as you can see, our screen protector is applied. So we can clean this protector. And as you can see right now, here it is. So right now we are able to use our smartphone and don't worry about any scratches or breaks. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!